We were expecting that no, the industry is not the same, then might be little bit 19-20 यहाँ वहाँ. यहाँ तो 1-20 का gap था. 2 weeks if it's an implementation period. How I work, because I'm 29, we have the young team. The people are from 21, 22 to 20 age only. So I know कि भाई these guys are not going to listen to me, चाहे मैं कहीं का भी boss रहूँ. मेरा कुछ सुनने वाले नहीं है, ठीक है.
Hello everyone, this is Marina D'Souza here and we are at Procast Studio. This is the first podcast of 2025 and today we have guest with us Murtaza Kanchwala from Hakimi Solutions, and let's hear from him what he has in store for us. Hello boss.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, how are you doing?
All fine, alhamdulillah.
We want your elevator pitch now.
Hello everyone, my name is Murtaza Kanchwala. I have a company called Hakimi Software Solutions. We implement Zoho applications, Google, Microsoft, Acronis, and other cloud applications. And we are based out in Dubai. We also have an office in Oman and Chennai.
Fantastic. So when did you start this company?
This was started in 2022, maybe December.
Okay.
And then
after
kept on
COVID and
going.
everything was settled
and
things were coming back
things
to
were
normal.
coming back to normal, yes.
Okay, that's interesting. What made you start your company?
It was started as a khunnas.
Oh wow.
In Kunnas, but later on we understood that this is some serious thing which we have started, and then we kept growing a little bit. The team got extended, we got covering projects and everything, and then now the ball is kept rolling. That's all. But that started as a different,
okay,
a different thing.
Kunnas is the word, guys. For
Kunnas
this one.
is the word. Yes, Kunnas is the word.
Okay, so it's been good 2.5 years of formation of the company. Okay. Fantastic. So how do you guys help us as entrepreneurs?
As entrepreneurs, as we all know that we start a business, we have a different departments to support all the softwares and everything.
Yeah.
So we help entrepreneurs to make sure everything is digitalized. In this age, everyone is a data-driven product.
Yes.
Everyone wants data. So we help those to implement everything on the cloud solutions, and so that it can be accessible for everywhere in the world.
Fantastic. And I think the entire world is moving towards that.
Exactly.
People, I want to be an aspiring podcaster and an influencer. So people say document everything.
Everything, yes.
And this is the same thing. I remember my phone call has around 10,000 contact plus, but I have not maintained that kind of a relationship
with those guys, exactly.
Like those Christmas, Merry Christmas, and some motivational quotes. I've not kept them active. So
right.
I think your software helps us to do that.
There's a lot of softwares. Like it calls a bundle of a lot of applications. When I say different departments, so eventually when we start a business, it starts with sales, accounting, operations, and marketing.
Correct.
So it has a bundle of all the applications together, and we implement all.
Okay.
So Zoho itself is like a complete package. So that's how we also try to do in our company. We come with a complete package, the way software which we are selling.
So Zoho is one of the aspects.
One of the things which we sell.
And which other products do you sell apart from that?
Apart from that, we do Google, the Google Cloud Services, Microsoft Azure, Acronis, the disaster recovery backups and other solutions.
Okay.
That's all.
Which one is your favorite?
Zoho.
Okay. I feel Zoho did a lot of marketing in the last 3 years.
They did a lot.
Yeah.
They did.
And I remember, like we mentioned before, when we get our trade license for the first time and they say use Zoho and take it as a free
service. As a free service, yes. For a year.
Think when you take it for free, or when you take Zoho itself, it is not understandable.
Yes.
Right? It's the implementation and whatever tweaks and turns that we need to do. That's what helps you to build it better.
So Zoho is actually a complete solution itself. The Zoho One, which has a bundle of all the applications. When we say bundle of all applications, it has around 55 plus applications. When you can create your own application as well. This is a Zoho Creator. That's why the team is also certified for all these applications, and me as well. So this all comes together, and when we say implementing, you can purchase the license. You can just go to the Zoho website, purchase the license. You can find the partner who can implement the license and everything. When there's a developer, when comes into picture, he implements your idea of how you want to run your business. For an example, on a CRM. CRM is to handle your all the data and everything. And when you're running the business, you need to communicate with your customers as well.
Yes,
On a
absolutely.
daily basis for the follow up, for the company profile, and all that stuff. So your idea of running a business is something which we implemented.
Correct.
When you have an idea of putting a pipeline or putting a process flow in your business are running anywhere. It is also running in APMC market in Vashi, which doesn't have any software. It is also running in tech like TCS also. But the thing is, it is a business process where if every employee follows, no matter it's a CEO, no matter it's an admin, they follow the process. So that ideology
And
we
it gives a
implement.
much better clarity on
Clarity,
what
yes.
your sales are doing, what's your admin doing,
Exactly.
how much product you have in stock,
Yes.
and how your financials are actually.
Financials are
right,
actually,
and that's very important for your
very
business.
important. When you have the data, that's when you can start doing your business and you can focus on your business. Okay, we can make the strategies.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is how we can go forward with the next year or for next quarter or anything. The way we create the vision boards, it helps you it doesn't make any sense if you create a vision board and you don't have a task to complete.
Yeah, yeah.
So it is
Do you
same like
believe in vision boards?
I am making it since past 3 years now.
Okay. And how many of your vision board things that you have put it on your vision board have come true?
Last year it
Yeah.
was 90% was done
Oh, wow.
because the 12-week challenge also we did.
Okay.
I was not part of that, but I continued it little
Okay,
bit. Okay, and
okay.
in my ideology I only did it.
Okay.
चलो, let's do it. कैसे कहाँ कितना push कर सकते हैं? But I reached a good number. And
Oh wow,
it was
that's
happy.
good.
I'm happy was it.
Because I think I believe in vision board. I
Yeah.
started doing it 2 years back, and this year I myself hosted a vision board
Yeah,
for
I saw that.
myself. Yeah, and I saw how it was impacting my every decision that I
and
was
everything.
doing.
Right.
Yeah. So my 2025 is undergoing completion. Sticking part is still not completed,
Yeah.
but I believe in more on a physical
thing.
a vision board than a digital one. It's good to have a digital photo as well, but
well.
the physical one just makes you feel like कुछ काम किया
कुछ
है.
काम किया है. Right,
Yes,
exactly.
yes, that way. Okay, so how do you get your business? Who are your who could be your possible clients, and how do you source them out?
As we started, because I said that goodness, and it was more of like after it became a survivals thing.
Okay.
Because when we started this, there was no investor or anything. Now, when being an IT person coming from a background with an IT sales and pre-sales and everything, and knowing Zoho since for a long time,
Yeah.
like 2016, 15, so I have already introduced with the Zoho and all that stuff. So when we came down here, the first thing was that going to the networking events. Okay, so we went down on our networking events because previously I was part of a networking event called
Okay.
BNI.
Okay.
So I was there. I tried my luck, and it 90% to 95% business since past 2.5 years we are getting it for word of mouth.
Wow.
It's completely word of mouth. We are more than more than 120 clients now, but we all are growing constantly.
Okay.
As solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, everyone is part of Zoho, and they all are doing the implementation from us.
Fantastic. So I need to know 2 stories from you. One, your success story,
Oh my
okay,
God.
of a client, and the second one was a terrific client that you might have had.
Terrific one, like in a good terrific or a bad terrific?
Both you can. I gave you the questions. Now answer is yours.
So first success story, I would say that if I say about the first client, the first client how we closed, because now when I came down to Dubai with because there was a very limited amount of resources left for me, and pay the rent and all that stuff as well. And there is one person which we already hired in Chennai who was
Yeah.
waiting and managing the Indian clients already.
Correct.
So the first idea was that we need to keep the ball rolling. Now,
Yes.
the best part and the worst part about this thing is because I have put everything in the company to get launched and come down back to Dubai, I didn't have the laptop.
Okay.
So that was one thing which was like very funny. Well, like I started a company. I am a software guy. I don't have a laptop. I have a team person also, but I don't have a laptop. How do I go? So I was like, okay, let's do it. Let's because I had a little bit of connection with the BNI. So I went down to my old chapter and I said, okay, listen, I have started this. I will definitely join BNI later up in this chapter also. But right now I'm looking for if there is anyone who require this services which I'm selling. Let me know. Everyone has BNI. It is lifelong learning. Everyone was supportive and all that happened. And then when I was leaving, I got one client, a customer.
Okay.
There was a Voca was the Ashwin Nair. He actually called. Like he stopped me and said, we want to implement this. The only thing I was thinking about, I have to give demo.
Okay. And you don't have a laptop.
I don't have a laptop.
Okay.
Like, how do I give a demo? So we all sat down where we discussed about Zoho, what they require to do, what they need, answering the technical questions, what were their vision on how do we want to implement it and all that stuff.
Yeah.
We did it and we discussed about a couple of meetings and all that stuff. They took a demo. I went down to their office and we did a demo and all that stuff. Managed it somehow. Okay. Now they know the story. They didn't know this.
Oh, okay.
Even they don't know. They are client from 2.5 years now. They didn't know about this also. So this happened, and then their first payment, the first thing I bought was a laptop.
Oh wow! They are your clients still, right?
And they are still my client. They are still are paying the AMCs. We are giving them support.
Okay.
And everything. So this is all the story which but yeah, after that the ball was the best.
Okay.
Because
so your lucky charm was
a chocolate company.
Okay.
Voca.
Yes, I've heard of them. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
so
that's
they actually gave a chance. To be very frank, it was the first customer of our in UAE, and then as we know, the ball kept rolling.
Okay.
Because I started meeting a lot of older people who have older people in means the clients who I've worked with before. I told them, okay, this I have done. If you guys need anything, let me know. So either they need something or either they gave a referral.
Yes.
Okay, I do this, etc. And by then, we didn't even realize when we are already passed on with a lot of clients and customers, and we realized we are getting expertise in the business setup and accounting firms.
Okay.
So we
they
kept continuing
are your
all that.
major client referral partners, business
setup as an accounting firms are the major part, and accounting firms and business setup has been great help.
Okay.
To be very frank. And again, when we meet a lot of people by networking, so they know I've done this one work for someone, and then they recommended me to the other 2-3 people more. So then they require some services and all that.
Definitely, I will recommend 2 people from my chapter. Yeah.
Great. And RP?
Yes.
Very बहुत मुश्किल है वहाँ से.
बहुत मुश्किल है यार.
वहाँ से बहुत मुश्किल है.
ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करूंगी. उतना ही बोल सकती हूँ अभी.
No worries. पर उनके कुछ कस्टमर्स का काम मैंने किया है.
Oh, really?
Backend में.
That's good.
बहुत पहले.
Okay. अभी आपके challenging customers या फिर terrified stories of your journey.
We were terrified knowing that the same industry has a different way of working while they're doing the same thing. For an example, business setups. We were in a delusion that what we will do is we had in expertise, a lot of business setup customers are asking to implement it. It will be the same pipeline. They don't want anything else. They are doing the same thing. IFZA, DAFZA and all that stuff.
Correct.
Okay. So there will be a same implementation, but no. It was a complete ball different. This guy has an ideology of running a business in a different way, where they are doing the same thing, but they wanted the software completely in a different way.
Different form. Yeah.
Completely different form. Same goes for the accounting also. How the CEO mentality works on how they have to overcome with the challenges of by using the software, either it is Microsoft or Google or Zoho. They have a brainstorming sessions and then sit and they say, I want this. Correct. I have seen this, I want this. I'm like, okay. But whenever someone contacts us, the first question is why you need Zoho. Why you need any application right now? Why you want to leave your existing ones?
Yes.
So that we understand why exactly are they looking for a change or something, to understand what is the challenges they are facing it. So this was one thing which we were very shocked knowing in a very early I think in the first quarter or second quarter also we understood okay, this is a different thing.
Every client is different, even though the industry is same.
Even though industry is same, we were expecting कि no, the industry is not same, then might be little bit 19-20 यहाँ वहाँ. यहाँ तो 1-20 का गैप था.
क्योंकि सबका मेंटालिटी अलग होता है ना.
And now we have completely understood. दिमाग में ठान लिया है कि whenever we meet a customer, they are going to come with an expectation and an ideology which we have to implement it. So the way the software works is like a child, like the father is getting trained with that child. So he wants to implement it in a very different way. And then they come to know about the software capabilities. यार ये हो सकता है, यार ये हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, हाँ हो सकता है, अब बोलो जो वो हो सकता है, पैसा दे देना.
Okay, got it. Okay, I have this interesting question. How much time does it take for you guys to set up? Now, आप बोल सकते हो कि 2 दिन में बना देंगे, 1 हफ्ते में बना देंगे, 1 महीने में. But coordinating with your clients, understanding their expertise and their challenges, because they might not be available when you are available, and you might not be available when your team is available. So, in reality, how much time does it take for Zoho to be properly implemented, or any software for that matter, in an organization?
It depends completely on that person's requirement. Completely. Basically, we take about 3 weeks, when we say 21 days and all that stuff. We make a draft document. The person, the developer goes and have a conversation with them, and they talk, okay, this is your requirement. We can break it down in phases. We'll do phase 1 later on, when this we'll do first, and etc. Then the client says, okay, I want this to be done in very quickly. Okay. Now you say very quickly, then there should be a very genuine reason to doing, because then the projects also gets aside. We have to put another person in this thing and everyone is in hurry.
Of course, always.
Everyone is
because we get up one day before the
everyone comes in
need comes,
mostly
right?
Like 50 to 60% clients comes कि अरे मुझे आज ही करके दे दो. बोले सर क्या जादू की छड़ी घुमाओ क्या? स्क्रिप्ट तो करने दो, स्क्रिप्ट करने करता है उसको. ऐसा नहीं है. It is a software which is like, it is a custom software. So at least when you say for a CRM application, when you have a complete multiple pipelines and all that stuff, it takes a good 2 to 3 weeks to, even before coming to you, we test it ourselves.
Yes.
So we have this idea that when you are implementing it, so if you have said 2 weeks to the customer, 1.5 week is done. First you have to either give it to the head of the implementation, which is in Chennai. He will test it out based on a document. What has been, after the brainstorming, the SOW document has been created. And then when he tests out, and then I test it out, and then we give it to, okay, customer, okay, it is ready now. And we say, okay, we are good to go now. You can do the demo, you can start the testing. Training is the next step when we do. Because we don't even involve users, because there are sometimes business companies that 25-30 users. When the entire thing is ready, that's when we go to users. Now, okay, it's on. You guys can start using it. Now you have queries and concerns, you can come down. That is a support period which we give based on how many applications you have set up and all that stuff. Based on that.
Now my question to you is, say there are many people who start up, okay, they're just one-man show, okay. Is this something you think is essential for them?
Anyway, the solopreneurs are investing in multiple applications. They are. I have been like communicating with a lot of solopreneurs from BNI only, who are solopreneurs who is a one-man show running the entire show. Lot of womenpreneurs also who runs the entire show. Okay, there's one person running entire thing, but using a lot of different some Calendly someone is using some different applications for this stuff. When we meet this guy, how it can help you? Okay, it can definitely help you. If you have a license of Dubai, you can just take the Zoho one and you can implement everything whatever you want, and then downgrade it wherever you want to.
Correct.
It is not like you've just paid it, then you have to stick to it. You can downgrade the applications, whatever you want. You pay for that only.
Question for the audience. How many of you guys are still using Excel sheets to maintain or any other kind of old school type apps for your day-to-day works? commenters below, and let's see how we can help you by implementing Zoho in your life, or if not, at least take the knowledge. Nothing goes in taking the knowledge down. Yeah.
A lot of people are using still Excel.
Now, personality question for you. How do you manage your team?
They are, we have this accountability culture.
Okay.
We understood in the very beginning, this is your project.
Yeah.
You are responsible. You are handling it. If anything happens, you will get fired. It's up to you.
बट आजकल लोगों को फायरिंग से डर नहीं
लगता लेकिन हमारे यहाँ नाम का 9 to 5 है. I'll tell you, in the Chennai office we have 2 people who comes at 4 o'clock in the evening and they work till 2 o'clock.
Okay. As long as work is done.
That's the only reason. Yes, exactly. 2 weeks if it's an implementation period. How I work, because I'm 29, we have the young team. The people are from 21, 22 to 20 age only. So I know कि भाई these guys are not going to listen to me. चाहे मैं कहीं का भी बॉस रहूँ, मेरा कुछ सुनने वाले नहीं है. ठीक है. What is something which I want to do? पगार चाहिए. I don't know how you complete this job.
Okay.
You do it while you are wedding. You do it while you are doing anything. Just complete the job. This is the timeline. Has to be done.
Okay.
There is no question asked.
So is it like
and one more, there's one more rule. Sorry to interrupt.
No problem. Yeah.
When you are added in a WhatsApp group with a support team, with the customer, you make sure you reply. That is your responsibility. That is completely yours. You have to answer, say, okay, हाँ हूँ, कहीं कुछ भी बोलो, लेकिन जवाब दो.
Reply दो.
जवाब दो. This I learned from my ex-boss. He was like amazing in this stuff.
Okay.
कुछ भी बोलो.
हाँ.
जवाब दे दो.
हाँ.
So that was one thing which I learned from him कि भाई दे दो, जवाब देकर खत्म करो. Because don't keep your customer hanging. हाँ चल रहा है काम. हाँ हम हैं. दो पैसा लेके गायब नहीं हुए हैं हम.
Correct.
So and the thing is कि and this has made us crazy. We can say a lot of things which has been went on. That was very good for us. It worked out very good for us.
Yes.
When we said कि भाई जब करना है करो.
हाँ.
जब करना है काम करो. No problem. Whether we have a guy who is implementing the software and he is only expert for the creator and analytics and for Microsoft and GCP. Only 4 products. Now we say that this is the project which has came down. Sir, when do you want it? Well, I want it on 20th. On 15th, I want a demo. Sir, we are sitting on 1st. You will get it. Update the customer. Bola, don't worry. In that South Indian accent, no worry. हो जाएगा sir. Okay. So we are okay with it. But we still, the admin and the client relation team always coordinates with them. कि भाई, what's the update? What's happening? And etc. And again, we meet, like we have a call every day.
Yeah.
So they update their sheets. Okay, this has to be done. This has been completed. This has been completed. We use Zoho for ourselves.
Okay.
So all the tasks are already there in place. So if you get a certain applications, there are 15 tasks you have to complete it. That's the process flow which is set. You have to do it.
Correct.
You don't do it, फिर पैसे से प्यार नहीं है तो कटेगा पगार.
But question, पगार कटने में उनको बुरा लगता है 100%. लेकिन क्या उनको फर्क पड़ता है? पड़ता है.
Reason is the KPIs are also based on that.
Okay.
You complete your KPIs, you get money. You don't complete your KPIs, you don't get the money. Now the thing is, this is done for both of them. So even for the referral partners also, and goes for our employees also.
Okay.
Employees तो बोल ही दो, दोस्ती है सारे, इसलिए हल्के में ही लेते हैं. So even if we are working with a referral partner and you have given us XYZ company's referral, if that gets closed, whatever your and my discussion has come up with a percentage, whatever the customer pays, you get it done. You take it first.
So you work on a referral fee kind of a concept.
You take it your fee first.
Yes.
Then you don't have to interrupt in this.
Yeah.
And if there is a understanding between you have not told the customer that we are in the back end, or the customer knows that we are in the back end and we are coordinating and everything, so we do it in our own way. Otherwise, you take our fee and it's gone. And the referral partners are happy.
Fantastic.
We refer it, we got it, khatam.
Okay.
The only condition is कि please take care of our customer. That we take care, and then they get a confidence. Once we have to understand that if the person is not comfortable, once he gets comfortable and confident about that we can give that, we can achieve that whatever they are saying, and then the confidence comes कि हाँ चलो हो सकता है, no worries.
What was the challenge you faced when, maybe not just the beginning, maybe during right now as well, that is happening in your business, or it was something that was like रात को सोने नहीं दे रहा था?
अरे every day it happens. Every day. No, every now and then something happens that and challenges are like sometimes some customer has clicked somewhere. It happens. Human error. No matter how much you try, it is a software. Human है, mistake हो सकती है.
Correct.
Okay, so they sometimes subscribe to something else in the application, or sometimes, for an example I'm giving, case sometimes they disable or send an email outside, or they start using CRM as a campaigns, sending out thousands email. अरे तुमको लगता था कि एक साथ कस्टमर को भेज सकते हैं, अरे नहीं भेज सकते, बंद हो जाता है. So that all things happens. A lot of other stuff. Even internally also we happens. When the projects case, someone is working on a project. Okay, he is also working on a project. He has not completed the scripting how he is going to work on the workflows. Clashes happens. कि यार इसने काम नहीं किया, इसने काम नहीं किया, अरे figure it out, खत्म करो. So this all happens on a daily basis, but very small challenges. But yeah, with facing the challenges right now, we are trying to overcome was that we want to make sure that the timeline which it is, now we are managing that timeline at around 80%, we always deliver on time. Frankly speaking, 80% or 70% of time we deliver.
Correct.
Okay. Sometimes the client is not available, as you said, this client is not available. Sometimes the user is not available.
Yes.
I will tell you the recent one. Since past 1 week, I am trying to give a training to the customer because the work is done. The employee is not available. He is in Dubai. He comes to office, but he doesn't have time to meet us.
Correct. No, but that is a reality, because exactly. I have tried it myself, and I think the project was supposed to deliver in a 3 months time or a 6 months time, and it was getting delayed. Again, it's the same availability of that person availability of this person, and all of that. So this is an ongoing everyday challenge.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
What will I do if the person कल मर गया तो मैं क्या करूँ? He is the one. काम नहीं रुकेगा. But the thing is, if he is not well or is something, that is a human error. I can't handle those stuff. Other than that, the guys are working. Yeah. Because of this rule, which we say, okay, do just complete and give it on a time. Because of the rule, they are not watching the hours also while they are working.
While they are working, yeah.
While they are working, they are not watching the hours. They are working around the clock.
So are your employees work from home concept, or?
No, we have the office in Chennai. Okay. So they work from there. And we have Chennai people works, like there are 4 people, 5 people sitting in, 5 people now sitting in Chennai office. There is one sitting in Nasik.
Okay.
They have hired, and there is one sitting in Punjab.
Okay.
So we all connect together, and then there is Mumbai team, which is a marketing agency which I have started.
Okay.
This is in Mumbai. So that people also sometimes come down.
So your clientels are Dubai and India, both?
Dubai, India, Oman.
Okay.
We got an opportunity to work for Oman projects.
Oh, wow.
We closed a couple of customers there, and we have one person who is handling the coordination in
Tell
Oman.
Tell me something about Oman.
Oman is good.
Okay.
Oman guys are very clear on what they want.
Okay.
Much clearer than Dubai.
Okay.
Because when the Zoho thing, I think they don't have the free licenses and all that stuff. Okay, so but they want to put it everything, and most of the customers which we have are industrialists.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, the big stockist who wants to manage their inventory, who wants to manage their books. Books inventory is a huge scope in Oman.
And they still have a Friday off, right?
They still have it. Okay. But it is still working. There is no off now. Now the how the world works, there is no off. The guy is coming. He is anyway the work. You come on Friday, no problem. There are customers in here Dubai also. He says कि Sunday मिलते हैं ना, no problem.
Yeah.
काम ही तो करना है.
Yes. That's interesting. Expanding to Oman and starting off.
Oman was actually not planned.
Okay.
Oman was completely out of the box, and we were not confident about doing it also.
How did you get the opportunity?
Referral.
If you don't mind answering. Referral. Okay. So you understand references really work.
Referral. It was that we did it for one business at a company. He wanted to set up a company in Oman.
Okay.
He had a company in Dubai. He was setting up a company in Oman. So he said, why don't we implement Zoho for us there also? And we also want to do some Microsoft licenses as well.
Okay.
I'm like, okay, no problem. So he said, but you have to come down because it's a new thing. There is no people there. There's only one guy who's have to explain everything, and then we eventually are hiring 20-30 people all together. So you have to be there. So I was there like back and forth, going for 2 months Oman and all that stuff. But then when it all happened, and when then the referral comes into picture. Okay, this guy wants to implement ZoBooks. This guy wants to do some Microsoft license. They want to purchase G Suite licenses, etc., etc. Like, okay, this is going good. So then we said, okay, let's start there also. And again, the business setup company, the friend who helped me out, I said, can you do this also? And of course, we paid this time.
Yeah, of course.
So
now
he
we
helped me out.
upgraded.
Now we are upgraded up. इस बार पैसे दिए हमने और he said कि yeah, we can do that.
Wow,
I'm like,
that's
okay,
nice.
चलो, great.
So my question is, when are you joining BNI back? Not in Dubai, Oman maybe.
No, I have no plans because reason is now after 2 years. But this year I'm joining for Dubai, not in Oman.
Okay.
I'm joining BNI for this year. And this year I have to because we are working. Now the entire thing is going all the way. So, and we have no plans of next for 5 years. I'm talking about 5 years. I'm talking about ever. We are going to sell this one thing in Dubai, and we are going to sell this only. We don't want anything. We are not. I don't have that ideology that I see that Marina is doing very good in podcast. Let's start a podcast. It is her expertise, not mine.
Okay.
I can't do that.
By the way, I don't have any expertise in podcast.
I know, I'm just saying.
But last year I did start. So
exactly.
And this year it has given better recognition.
Exactly. So I don't want to get into it. Reason is I am a technical person.
Yeah.
My journey started in actually. So if I don't know if you guys, I should say this or not, but I don't have a qualification or something like that.
Okay.
I'm not going into college or something.
For a software engineering.
Nothing.
Okay.
Zero.
Okay.
Only softwares. So I was a person in school who was most excited only for the computer class.
Okay.
Computer period was the best one.
Okay.
चप्पल निकाल के जाओ, ठीक है, कंप्यूटर को बटन ऐसे दबाओ, खोलो और वो ओपन होगा और वो फिर प्रिंटिंग करने देंगे आपको. That was the best part for us. That was our कि हाँ चलो Saturday, every Saturday that was the hour. So I understood that I love softwares.
Okay.
That is one thing which I am good at it.
So how did you learn it?
That's the thing. So first thing what I learned was Microsoft Excel, which everyone learns, the MS.
Yes.
And then the thing was, I didn't get a chance to do much on that, not because of the financial thing and everything. I am dumb. I couldn't cross the college thing and all that stuff. Okay, so my highest level education is 10वीं. That's all, 10th. And I went down for 1 year for the college and everything and made my best friends. But of course, कुछ हुआ नहीं. But in that period of time, I was working for an FMCG company.
Okay.
My uncle was a big, good position in FMCG company. He said, "Ke when now everyone in my family is a business guy. They all and my community is a community of traders. We all are business.
Yes.
Either somewhere is in hardware or either he's an accountant.
Yes.
Either he is selling hardware stores, hardware thing, or either the guy is the accountant.
Yeah, and now real estate
CA.
as well.
And now real estate as well. I don't know. Now that is also booming, but core is this two: hardware or accountant or a CA. So, aisa. So I'm like, okay. But the thing was, okay, first you have to understand how this has to be sold.
Correct.
So बेचना तो आना चाहिए ना. बेचना in any industry you go. An FMCG market in India, in Mumbai, going door to door, stories wise and selling chai, twining teas and everything, that I did for 2 years.
Oh.
So बेचना आ गया.
Okay.
And when you sit down in Vashi market for every week going down, and then there was a software. The only reason I was continuing with the job, they give a software in a tablet of a Samsung.
Okay.
And you get to keep the tablet.
Okay.
And then it was okay. So like tablet मेरे हाथ में था ना, मैं चलो, so I can run a lot of softwares and all that stuff.
So that's why tablet is your favorite gadget.
Yeah. It's very easy for me to play around with that. And so that was the one thing. But then again, the focus was always on software. I was amazed, like I have to get it because now I have to make the fusion of, okay, I know selling. I know how to sell these things and I can, because I'm a street smart guy, I can do this. थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ ही आ गया. But software में जाना था ना. But there was someone who has to give the opportunity for that.
Yeah.
That was one thing which we started and all that.
Oh, Okay, interesting. And like when you said no, you have just studied till the 10th standard. I think I know a lot of people, and we have seen it in the in television or wherever that people have made careers out of
anything.
Yeah, that's what. वो पहले का ज़माना था, and they were like, you know, doctor बनना है, engineer बनना है, and all of that. अभी ऐसा नहीं है.
Very frank, if I calculate the certificates now, which I have, it are around 37 certificates in this office, including GCP, Azure, Zoho, whatever you say.
And I know people who have studied engineering and software and not doing that, and they're doing completely something else. So I completely agree with that.
So it is something which we wanted to do, but the thing was, and getting into the software business was something, because I can't just knock on a door of any IT company and say, "Bhai, hire kar le." What you know, I never saw a software, but there was one guy who believed, and he taught me a lot unconsciously. That I am 10,000% sure he don't even remember me. But that 2 years when I work in that company, he has like literally turned out everything. And this company also runs on that same moral what I have understood in that 2016 and 2018.
Oh wow, okay.
To be very frank, he was the amazing. His name is Puneet Thakkar, and he's the owner of Shivami Cloud Services in Mulund.
Okay.
Sir, I owe you big time. Crazy.
That's
seriously,
interesting.
Unconsciously he has taught a lot.
You're not been in touch with him after that.
He don't even know me. I'm damn sure.
Okay.
He don't even remember me. Because he's a very big guy.
Okay.
He is a legend for me. Like literally, he is like unconsciously. I have done a lot of mistakes. I was a field sales person there. So this company, Shivami Cloud Services, I can talk about it.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Sure.
Shivami Cloud Services is like majorly a woman-driven company.
Oh.
All the top level people are women. Amazing. I have been brought up by women. Okay. My grandmother has brought me up. My chachis have brought me up. So I love women. I can say it. I said it out loud. I love being around women. Great thing. Again, when this kind of company says ki, yes, Priyanka ma'am was the one who took my interview. She still works there. And then the second level interview was with Puneet sir.
Okay.
Then they say we were like an intern that time who joined, and I gave the opportunity. I was like, मैं 7th cloud कर चलो IT में काम तो मिल गया कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लूँगा मैं. Then I was like field sales ये वो हाँ no problem आप जो बोलो कुछ भी भेजूँगा मैं चलेगा no problem. Then I was selling G Suite, and that's what you asked me question, why is Zoho only in Dubai. He taught me. He is doing since 20-25 years. He's selling Google and Microsoft.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
That's all. One thing in every geography. Simple thing. So he is that I said, okay, you can sell one thing and be successful.
Yeah.
The focus, you
It's
just put one
for
focus.
Different people, different things.
Different people,
yeah.
different things, but you can put one thing and you put your all dedication, all focus and everything.
Yeah.
You put it all there and you can do it. That was one. Plus, he also introduced me that with a purpose. He said that purpose has to be there. In the company, you require a purpose.
Yeah.
And if I'm not sure I remember it correctly, they have a purpose.
Okay.
Like literal 4 sentence. Like it was in 2016. I remember it was just written there. It was the purpose of Shivami is to bring positive change in the life of people we connect by providing solutions and services which brings profit and happiness.
Oh wow.
This is the ideology of that Puneet Thakkar.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
So this ideology was just fit in my mind subconsciously. I don't remember it. When I started this for the survival thing, I made sure that this is something which I have to take it ahead and implement it.
Okay.
Not because I wanted to be successful like him, but this was something which has been driven a lot for me. Like crazy. And when one time he was giving some good lecture, some कहते थे motivation,
yes.
जैसे सर दे रहे थे, and then he said कि I want you all to see one movie. Like okay sir, which is it? And I was very keen. Sir, I don't know my I was like my girlfriend is standing there. I was like हाँ बोलो तुम आप बोलते रहो बस बोलो. So he was like me, for me like he was like that. He didn't even know. And he said कि you watch Pursuit of Happiness.
That movie is next
I'm like,
level.
okay.
Yeah.
Now when I saw that movie, I didn't understand much. Because that time I was like, sir ne bola hai to dekhne ka. And then I understood when, and this part of my thing, where I was like down and I watched it, I'm like, yeah, it is possible. I understand what he was trying to say that time.
That time, yeah.
He was an experienced person, now I understand what he was saying. So he has been a very big part, to be very frank.
Oh, that's interesting. Nice to know. If possible, if we can get his handles, on social media, we can definitely tag him.
Maybe.
And let him know.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's try and wrap up. Few quick questions. Okay. Which is your favorite gadget that you cannot live without?
The tablet, apart from that,
yeah.
Mostly it is this thing which is, I don't wear smartwatches.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
This is the only thing which connects my laptop and my phone and everything. This is like a medium thing. So we completely is based on this tablet. So we have connected in this.
Fantastic. Okay. Zoho, Microsoft, and Google. If you had to pick one for the rest of your life.
All the time Zoho. Because that's the application was at least we have an expertise on that now. So in implementing it. Okay. So we work with a lot of people, and now it is something which, apart from that, we are okay when comfortable with Zoho.
Perfect. One skill every entrepreneur should master.
Read books.
Okay.
I have lost a decade because of that.
I agree.
I have lost my decade. If I knew that books, I will tell you one thing. Whenever I read a book and I see कि कब ये publish हुआ था. Was it published when I was 18? Was it published when I was 16? Shit यार, ये पढ़ा क्यों नहीं मैंने तब वो टाइम में? कभी नहीं पढ़ा नहीं मैंने इसने. बोला पढ़ लेता तो साला मैं 2 साल में बन जाता मिलियनर उस टाइम पे. पढ़ा क्यों नहीं मैंने? Because that is one thing. Because I regret कि मुझे I was like, why I didn't read a lot of books, which I read a lot now, but why I have not introduced to that? Because
what's your recent read? What are you reading now?
Right now I'm reading this Entrepreneur's Playbook.
Okay.
I just completed this. For the first book which I wanted to read again for the 4th time was The Secret, because
I need to start reading that. I just saw the movie recently.
The Secret is something else. I believe a law of attraction. You say it out loud, it happens, and I believe it. It is as a Muslim also I believe that, as an ideology also I believe it, and as everything I believe that it is okay. And that book is something which I started my year with that book, and I completed it already.
Oh wow, fantastic.
Because I have it, and it is a very good, amazing one.
Yeah, recently someone told me about that book.
And that book was also, I didn't knew about it. It was a gift. That was a gift by 2022.
I really say, rather than giving people products, give people books as gifts, and you never know how it will change their life.
And that gift was from someone whom I actually look up to, again a lady, and she gave it because it was my birthday and something. He said, dude, you read this. Anyway, you are doing good a little bit, you read this one. Like, okay. And khatam.
Interesting. If not software, what industry would you be working in?
Industry which I started, FMCG.
FMCG.
Because that was one thing was actually taught a lot. Going door to door and doing this store to store marketing, we understand a lot.
That's your ground
work. It was amazing. It was the best days.
Correct. Next, what's the strangest request you have ever received from a client?
Free में कर दो. It's not strange now. It is not strange one. It's not strange, but yeah, a lot of customers says not a lot, but some they can you do it? Not because of they are tight in money. Like,
it's a way now, Free में कर दो.
We will give you referrals. They will give you referrals. बोलो sir, ठीक है, देखते हैं.
One word your team would use to describe you.
Impatient. And I am a patient guy, but the problem is that when the thing is not getting into place, the work is not getting done, I know that it will get done. I know, I trust my team completely. No problem. I know that the deadline is 15th. but I still call on to it is there, right? Everything is working fine, right? Because this customer is very important. And the thing is, even if as a BNI member or a mastermind member, if they want anything, I do the meetings personally. I always go down to that meeting and I make it sure that I am available from the scratch, from the start to end. Okay. But if it's someone else, then my team handles it. Otherwise, if a customer says, okay, this is very important for me, and I go myself. And I still do a lot of meetings.
Last question for the session. Okay. What would you tell a younger self of you? What is a different thing that you should have done when you were 18?
I think the same thing which I said now. That was that it is not like that I didn't had the books that time.
Yeah.
It was completely in a different ball game. So it was something I would say, just read that. Because that time we were, from where I come from, we were street smart. Yeah. Because we were always outside and we know how to.
हमको ट्रेन में चढ़ने के लिए सीखना नहीं पड़ता, सिखा
देते हैं सब कुछ आता हमें पता है. Okay, I come down from a place called Mumra. Okay, if you have heard about it, it is worse than Dungri.
Oh, okay.
So it is a very nice place with a lot of mountains and all that stuff. But it's the place where all the hustlers and we grow up in that part. Okay. So if this combination would have been in my early age, I would have definitely a millionaire by 2 years. I'm definitely for sure.
Okay, no worries. You will be a multi-millionaire now.
Inshallah.
And looking forward to seeing your success. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. This was importance of Zoho in our lives, importance of CRM in our lives, honestly, and how that can change your life. Get in touch with Murtaza and Hakimi Softwares. We are going to put his handles down below in the comment sections, and you can take from there and get in touch with him for whatever is required. If anyone else, or if you guys are interested in any particular topic, leave us a comment below so we can get our next guest to talk about that particular field. See you until next time. Bye-bye.